The Forum of China and the Community of Latin American and Caribbean States, or CELAC, was first introduced in 2014, when Chinese President Xi Jinping attended a summit for China and Latin America and the Caribbean countries. The forum's first ministerial meeting was held in Beijing the following year, when a 5-year cooperation plan was announced. It was to cover political, economic, and cultural exchanges, as well as to coordinate international affairs. The cooperation mechanism has been the facilitator of some rapid growth in investments between the two sides. According to the National Bureau of Statistics, China's direct investment into Latin America in 2016 was double the previous years, while it increased by more than $3 billion going the other way. In 2014, when the idea of the forum was conceived, President Xi said China would provide CELAC countries with 6,000 governmental scholarships between 2015 and 2019. And that was just part of their initiative to incorporate more people-to-people exchanges. Indeed, 2016 was a special year of cultural exchanges between the two, where large-scale events in areas such as art, literature, film, and tourism were held. Wang Yuan, CGTN.